How to change theme on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your theme on Snapchat. So first thing, just head over to your Snapchat application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this top left icon at the profile icon, and you should be redirected to this page, and simply click on this top right corner, that is gear icon, settings. And once you're inside your settings section, finally simply select this app appearance, and you can easily change your theme from light to your dark, or you can also change your theme to match the system of your mobile, which is your mobile is using the currently. So since my device is using light theme, it will automatically adapt to it. So once you do that, you may have to restart your application, and just like that, you have successfully set it the theme on your Snapchat application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.